how to bring back a bubble conversation after you have tapped on set this as not a conversation. So here you can see I have this conversation, and if I tap on it, set this as not a conversation, it will be removed from the conversation. Then when I send a notification to my messages, it will no longer show the bubble conversation. So to bring it back, we go into the apps that you want to open the bubble conversation. So for example, I'm going to tap on text messages, then tap on the text message or a conversation. Next, tap on the more button. From the pop-up, tap on details, then tap on notifications. After that, we go down and then tap on set this as a conversation. And that's it. After you tap on that, you can see here now if I send myself a text message, that conversation will now pop up as a bubble. And that's it. So that is how you can bring back that bubble conversation. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.